Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we shall look at another type of simple machine known as an incline plane. An incline plane is a slope that allows a load to be raised gradually using less effort compared to when it's lifted up vertically. Think of it this way: you've probably used an incline plane without even realizing it. From ramps for wheelchairs to loading heavy boxes into trucks, incline planes help us reduce the effort needed to lift things upwards. Incline planes were used widely in ancient times. For example, the Egyptians used massive ramps to build the pyramids. Without cranes or advanced machinery, they relied on incline planes to move giant rocks to great heights. By creating long ramps, they reduced the amount of force needed to pull the stones up, making it possible to construct those towering structures. Now, let's see incline planes in action. If I want to lift this 150-gram weight and put it on top of this box, I can simply just carry it and place it on. But that would mean I'm using more energy. Let's try it using a spring balance. As you can see, I'm using a force of 1.5 newtons to carry a weight of 150 grams. But if I use an incline plane to lift up the same weight, I could be able to use less effort. We see that when I lift up this weight using an incline plane, I use a force of 1 newton, which is less than the force I used earlier. The key principle of an incline plane is that the force required to move an object across the plane is less than the force needed to lift it vertically. An incline plane helps by spreading the force required across a longer distance, making work easier. Also, it's important to know that when using an incline plane, the steeper the slope, the more the effort required to lift a load. And the more gentle the slope, the less effort required to lift a load. And if you've watched this far, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave us a thumbs up for more interesting science content. First, we shall make the slope very steep. And then we'll try to raise our load across the steep slope. On a steep slope, I'm using a force of 1.25 newton to lift a weight of 150 grams. Now, let's make the slope gentle and see how much force we shall use. On a gentle slope, I'm using a force of 1 newton to lift up this weight. Incline planes are everywhere today. For example, ramps, stairs, conveyor belts, and loading docks. They allow us to move heavy objects with ease, whether it's loading goods into a truck or helping people in wheelchairs access higher places. From ancient pyramids to modern ramps, these simple machines, called incline planes, have been helping us for centuries. Let me know in the comments what kind of incline planes you use at home or at work. See you in the next video.